Welcome back to Autistic Coder. In this tutorial, we're diving into database normalization and foreign key constraints using a practical example with users, products, and orders. We'll talk about what normalization is, how foreign keys keep your data consistent, and walk through a real example using the users table we already created, plus two new tables, products and orders. Normalization is the process of breaking data into related tables. It reduces duplication and helps make your database easier to maintain and query. Let's start by creating a products table. It contains a name and SKU for each product, and each product has a unique ID. Next, we'll create the orders table. This connects users and products by using foreign keys. Each order belongs to a valid user and references a valid product. Foreign keys help protect your data. They make sure that relationships between tables are valid and that you can't enter data that doesn't make sense. With everything set up, we can now write a join query to list all users and the names of the products from their unfulfilled orders. This is the power of normalized data. By splitting your data into related tables and using foreign keys, you can build a more scalable and reliable database. Joins help you put the data back together when you need it. Let's keep learning and growing together. Check out the full SQL playlist and drop your questions in the comments.